Tributes continue to be expressed all over the world after the passing of Dolly Parton. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A year after announcing she was taking time to slow down and focus on her health, Dolly Parton died on August 25, 2026. The country music legend was 80 years old. She passed away after being diagnosed with cancer, her estate said in a statement. Parton had not publicly disclosed before that she had been getting treatment for the illness. After bravely facing a brief battle with cancer, Dolly departed her earthly life yesterday at the Vanderbilt Ingram Cancer Center, surrounded by her loved ones. In days before her passing, Parton did disclose some details about the health challenges that caused her to step back away from the stage in recent months. Fans first became worried about the music legend's well-being when she postponed her Las Vegas residency in September 2025 due to health challenges. She later shared in March 2026 at the opening day celebration for Dollywood's 41st season that I've had a few little health issues and we are taking good care of them, she said in the statement at the time. In a longer announcement on her Instagram page in May, she offered more details. I have some good news and a little bad news, Parton said in a video posted on May the 4th, 2026. The good news is that I'm responding really well to meds and treatment and I'm improving every day. Now the bad news is that it's going to take me a little time before I'm up on stage for performance level, she said in the statement at the time.
Well, hey there, it's Dolly, and I'm here to give you an update on a few things going on in my life. First, it's concerning my health. And I have some good news and a little bad news. But the good news is I'm responding really well to meds and treatments, and I'm improving every day. Now, the bad news is it's going to take me a little while before I'm up to stage performance level because some of the meds and treatments make me a little bit swimmy-headed, as my grandma used to say. And, of course, I can't be dizzy carrying around banjos, guitars, and such on 5-inch heels, and you know that I'm going to be wearing them. Not to mention all those heavy rhinestone outfits, the big hair, my big personality. Lord, that would make anybody swim-headed. But just think of me as like an old classic car that once restored can be better than ever. But when they raised the hood on this old antique, they realized that I need to rebuild my engine and that my transmission is slipping, my oil pan is leaking, and my muffler's busted, and my shocks and pistons need to be replaced, and for sure my spark plugs need to be changed because you know, as well as I know, that I can't lose my spark. I know, I'm still crazy, but they didn't mention nothing about my mental health. But you know, I've told you before that I've always had problems with my kidney stones. Lord, they dig more stones out of me a year than the rock quarry in Rockwood, Tennessee. But seriously, my immune system and my digestive system got all out of whack over the past 3 years, and they're working real hard on rebuilding and strengthening those. And hopefully, I'll be up to snuff again soon. Maybe I shouldn't have said snuff. Snuff wouldn't be very good for either of those, would it? Plus, I wouldn't want my lower lip to fall off on top of everything else. That'd be like losing a hubcap, wouldn't it? Anyway, I know I'm being silly, but I'm just trying to keep everything light and airy. They say that a happy heart is like good medicine. Do you think I might be over-medicating myself right now? But the truth is, I am still working. I still do videos, I still record, I run up and down to Dollywood now and then, and I'm working hard on getting my museum and my hotel open in Nashville later this year. And I am spending a lot of time writing and reworking on my Broadway musical. It's called Dolly, a true original musical. And that's going to be opening later in New York this fall or early winter. Oh, I know you're thinking, Lord, sick or well, that girl's always promoting something. Well, that's true, but that's how you get it done. And, on a more serious note, I am truly sorry that I'm going to miss all of you that had tickets to see me in Las Vegas. Well, you get on to Vegas, and you have a big time. And hopefully, sometime, you'll come up to New York and maybe see my show. And I'll see you somewhere down the line. But I just want you to know also that a lot of you have been concerned about me and Carl, and you were so great about that. But after going through a year of firsts, the holidays, and especially our wedding anniversary and the day of his death, March 3rd, that was hard for me. But I will always love him, and I'll always miss him. But you would be surprised at how much your love and concern meant to me during that time. Lord, my house and my porch looked like the botanical gardens with all the flowers, and my den looked like the post office with all the cards and letters. So yes, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. You have been a big part of my healing. Speaking of Carl and my health, I remember back years ago, I was saying something. I was griping about something hurting or this and that. And Carl said, now, honey, you got to remember, you're not getting any younger. I said, well, honey, you've got to remember that as long as there are plastic surgeons in this world, I'm not getting any older. But anyway, of course, plastic surgeons can make you look as good as they can on the outside. But it's serious business when you're talking about internal medicine. So I have great doctors, and I'm doing really well, and they assure me that everything I have is treatable. So I'm going with that. And I just want you to know I thank you for standing by me and that I will always love you. Thank you.
Although she wasn't performing, Parton insisted that she was still working on a Broadway musical and opening a hotel museum in Nashville while all recovering and giving her health the attention it deserved. In days leading up to her passing, Parton continued to address the health concern with her fans. In a statement yesterday, several hours after her passing, it was announced by her team that she passed away of cancer and that she had been a patient at the Vanderbilt Ingram Cancer Center in Tennessee.
Hey everyone, my name is Brian Seaver, son of Cassie Parton, and I'm representing the Parton and Owens family today, announcing the passing of my Aunt Dolly Rebecca Parton Dean, sister, sis, Aunt Granny to one generation and Gigi to the next. This video announcement is something Dolly asked of me years ago, before I fully absorbed it as a future reality. As her head of security for more than 2 decades, a role my father Larry held before me, I have imagined the heaviness of this moment, but haven't truly felt it until now. It is an honor that is mixed with absolute pride and great sadness. But sadness lies with us, not with Dolly. Dolly has lived in the light and is in the arms of Jesus, surely met by Carl, her parents, and countless others who have watched her and longed for her to meet them in the heavens. I first went on the road with Dolly as a kid, getting a taste of the road life in the early 1980s. Dolly opened doors not just for me, but for her entire family to reach the potential we didn't even know was possible. Dolly also opened doors for generations of singers, songwriters, musicians, and dreamers from every walk of life and across every continent. By her example, we believed that anything was possible. She never saw a door she couldn't open, and the doors she opened made and changed history. My family and I have shared a lifetime of beautiful memories with Dolly, but so have you. She has always been on your television, your record player, your CD, and on your phone playlist, becoming an extended part of your family whether you liked it or not. Our family and the team she has entrusted with her legacy will work diligently to ensure her spirit will live with us forever. Dolly was a farmer, just like her daddy. He farmed the soil, she farmed songs and happiness. Dolly called me and said she wants to rest in a beautiful bed of plush cotton because after a life wearing heavy rhinestones, she finally deserves to be comfortable and have some rest. Rest in peace, Aunt Dolly, Aunt Granny, Gigi. May God bless Dolly Parton, and may God bless you all. She will always love you.
President Donald Trump has ordered the flag to be lowered at half-mast at the White House to honor the country music icon Dolly Parton after her passing at age 80. Dolly Parton was a Grammy-winning musical icon whose powerful voice and songwriting skills have established her as a presence on the country and pop music charts for several decades. Born Dolly Rebecca Parton, she was born on January 19, 1944 and passed away on August 25, 2026. She was an American musical songwriter, actress, philanthropist, businesswoman, and dubbed the Queen of Country. Parton, throughout her illustrious career, received several accolades, including 11 Grammy Awards, 3 Emmy Awards, and a Gene Hozlat Humanitarian Award, among with nominations for 2 Academy Awards, 6 Golden Globe Awards, and a Tony Award. Parton wrote her first song at the age of 6 years old, beginning performing on television at the age of 10, and made her first recording at the age of 11 years old. She became a professional songwriter at the age of 16, and after writing hits for other artists, her debut album Hello, I'm Dolly was released in 1967, and beginning a career lasted nearly 60 years and 49 studio albums. Parton composed more than 3,000 songs, including I Will Always Love You, a 2-time US country chart topper, and an international hit for Whitney Houston that sold 40 million copies worldwide. Dolly Parton has an estimated sales of 100 million records, and she's classified as one of the best-selling music artists of all time. Her music include Recording Industry Association of America RIA certified gold, platinum, and multi-platinum awards. 25 of her singles reached #1 on the Billboard Country Music charts, tied with Reba McTire for the most female artist. She also had 44 career top 10 country albums, a record for any artist, and 110 career chart singles over 40 years. Her 49th final studio album, Rockstar, released in 2023, became her highest charting Billboard 200 album, peaking at #3. At the time of her passing, country music legend Dolly Parton left behind an estimated net worth between 450 million to 650 million, according to various financial tracking publications, including Forbes. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.